One of Ahmedabad's best art galleries, Archer Art Gallery. I know him personally as an extremely warm and welcoming professional, and he's now also a friend. Before I invite Manan to open the show, I'd like to just say a few words about Dhyan and how his practice is rooted in nature, emotion and exploration. And he uses mixed media as an approach. He uses sand, he uses resin, he uses fluid art, and he uses a lot of mixed media, which I think over a period of time we have spoken with each other, got his expression out. He's still very raw, but he's extremely passionate, and I have managed to, both of us have managed to come up with this beautiful piece of work which is part of nature. Like, he's explored nature and fluidity in nature. This exhibition is curated by the team at RC. It's a journey through these ideas, blending poetry with visual storytelling, texture with movement, and form with feeling. Each piece invites us to pause, to reflect, and to reconnect with nature, with art, and perhaps even with ourselves. Through this mixed media approach, he seamlessly integrates natural elements, sand, charcoal, oils, and found organic materials into his work, creating pieces that not only reflect the textures of the earth, but also the fluid and ever-evolving nature of human emotion. I invite you to explore fragments of infinity with an open heart and mind. Let his words speak to you in their own language. Most importantly, take a moment to experience each and every work. Thank you again for being here. Enjoy the exhibition. He's a young budding artist with a lot of passion. We wish him all the best, and he'll take you through. Dhyan, would you like to say something?
Yes. Sorry to keep you waiting, first of all. And so let us walk through fragments of infinity. So I would like to elaborate on what is fragments of infinity. So the whole exhibition is based on two themes. It's nature and love. And I've tried to show how both of them has been connected since now. And as you can see, most of my pieces are based on natural colors and natural theme. And I've tried to use as many sustainable materials as possible to portray that we should care for Earth and this planet more. And with my paintings, I try to implement and inspire people to care for nature and protect our oceans. As if there's no Earth, there's no one. Okay, even if we move out, Earth is the place we were born. And through my paintings, you can see and feel the emotions. It's not only just a painting. You can feel, and it's an emotive piece. Yeah, my paintings are an emotive piece, and you can see and feel the texture. So this painting is called Two Worlds. side and the bright side of our life, and it portrays not that there's not only happiness in our life, there is also sadness, and it's always going to be there, and we have to be fine with it. Everything cannot be happy and merry in life. And we move further. As you can see here, that in each and every of my painting, there's a pattern of flow. You can find the flow and fluidity in all of my paintings. That's my pattern. Yeah. And I try to use mixed media as I keep on trying to experiment with my paintings, and I'm very curious about it. So
He wants to work with material.
Yeah.
So in the beginning it was just fluid, and then we made him explore, different materials which could be used in his work.
And many of my paintings portray galactic constellations and stuff.
And this cut onto the canvas, or and then so fluid art, do you do it on the water and then or no?
No, it's a technique where you just use fluid and then it's spontaneous.
Okay.
But then you control it in such a manner that you get a pattern.
Okay.
So
Then
that
the sand is part of it, or is sand is pellets on the canvas? Or
no, he just applied it.
like it? Okay.
Juneja. I am the director at Kunalona Academy. I am the teacher and mentor for Dhyan Sompura, and I've helped him do a collection of his paintings, and now he's presenting his first solo show. And
Hi, I'm Manan Relia, director with Archer Art Gallery. I'm here to support and encourage Dhyan to, keep on working and do more and more exhibition. I was very happy to see Dhyan's work displayed here at the gallery. I mean, a young, talented boy, trying to explore different mediums, forms, and play with colors. He's got a good sensibility of color, so I hope he expands into it and creates more and more work. Thank you.
As experts yourselves and mentor to the artist, can you just elaborate on how does he work, and what is the medium and what is the expertise that he has? and how do you foresee his art blooming into?
So he works with mixed media. He uses a lot of natural materials like sand and jute and found materials. And his work is basically fluid in nature. He loves the spontaneous quality of his practice. And he has a sense of color, as Manan mentioned. And that is something that he's on an exploration stage. So I am hoping that he keeps practicing and betters his knowledge of material and concept, and he expresses himself a little more.
Start. Yes, please.
Yes, so I'm Dhyan Sankura, and this is my first solo show of my paintings. And I'm a fluid artist, abstract artist, and I practice mixed media art. So most of my paintings are made of different natural elements. So like sand, charcoal, wood ash, paper, recycled paper waste, and stuff like that. And I try to theme my paintings into nature and love, and the whole exhibition Fragments of Infinity is based on the same. So Fragments of Infinity tells us that there are like infinite cycles of love and nature colliding with each other, and they keep evolving. It's not stable. And in each and every of my painting and even my ceramic sculptures, you can see that there's a pattern of fluidity and flow. So that's my pattern.
Where did you learn?
So I learned it by myself. Fluid art I started during COVID, and recently when I was in Ahmedabad, I came to know about Uno Lona, and over there I learned how to use texture in my paintings. So at Uno Lona. Yes.
What are your future plans?
So my future plans are basic. I mean, my dad has his own family business, which I'll do, and I'll keep experimenting my passion and keep painting.
Yeah. So keep painting and keep loving nature, as
Yeah.
you have rightly pointed out. It is the dire need of the hour. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you.